What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kingg, and I'm back at it again with another video. In this video, we gonna be doing a taper. He didn't want anything off the top. I guess he trying to wave, you know what I'm saying, trying to be like your boy.
To infinity and beyond.
You guys want a better angle? I know. Alright, so before this video start, I ask you guys to like, subscribe, and share because you honestly ain't got nothing better. Nope. No, okay. Alright.
Kingg.
So like I said, in this video, we're doing a taper, and it's just a side taper and a back taper. I'm gonna start this video off by brushing his hair. That's just making sure everything is nice and laid in the right place. I'm using the Torino Curve Soft Brush. I'm gonna start this video off with the back taper. A lot of people like to start the video off with the side, but I just like to go ahead and get the back taper off because the back taper needs some love too, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going in with my Gold Babyliss Pro FX clippers or trimmers, and I'm going to create that first initial ball guideline. After the ball guideline, I'm gonna hit the neck taper with a lever open, and I'm basically creating that first initial guideline. After that initial guideline, I'm gonna hit the neck taper with the one guard open, and that's my second guideline. Now you see me blend the neck taper. I hit it with a one guard close. Next, I'm going to throw that zero guard on, and I'm going to have it open, flicking at that bottom line, closing it as needed. All right, after we blend our zero guard out all the way, I'm going to basically do some detail work in the middle, and I'm going to start with my zero guard close. With my no guard close, flicking at that bottom line, trying to make that bottom line disappear and make the blurries fade over. All right, so for the side taper, we're going to go with a low taper, not bringing it up too high. So we're gonna set our ball guideline very low. We want to give the effect that it is bald, but it's not being bald. So we're gonna use our level close with our Andis Masters. From now on, I'm kind of doing the same things that I did with the back taper. So I'm not gonna explain it, I'm gonna just let you guys watch. Also, again, if you're looking or interested in buying beats, check out my boy SkrillaBag BG, better known as BG Tied Down. He's the one who does all of my beats, and he's pretty affordable. All right, so starting in with this lineup process, I'm gonna be hitting that back taper, and then I'm gonna work my way around the ear using the corners of my blades. Then after that, I'm gonna hit the back of the beard line, just framing my work. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. All right, so starting with this lineup, you see me do a little prep work, and I brush the hair down, make sure everything is laid and in the right place. Then I go in with my Babyliss Gold FX trimmers, and I set my first initial line, make sure everything is even with both sides. And I want to create the crispiest lining. YOU2. This is what your boy came back from, and this is what I turned him into. You know what I'm saying? He came from a rough time, and now he looking like the man. It's your boy Louis King. If you like the video, show your boy some love by giving me a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe if you new to the channel. I'm Louis King. That's all, folks.